Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to manually set up Tenda A27 Wi-Fi Extender. The Tenda A27 Wi-Fi Extender is a high-performance dual-band signal booster designed to extend and strengthen your existing Wi-Fi network. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. So now start with the product unboxing. Inside the Tenda A27 Wi-Fi Extender box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. It comes with built-in plug prongs, so no extra cables or adapters are needed. Now plug the Tenda A27 into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the LED lights to stabilize. Power light should be solid. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named Tenda_EXT, or something similar. Connect to this network, no password required initially. Open a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type 192.168.0.254 or re.tenda.cn. Press Enter to access the setup page. You will see a login page. Enter the default credentials. Username is admin and password is also admin, or leave blank if no password is required. Click Login to proceed. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz and/or 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password for the selected network. Click Next or Connect to proceed. Now your Tenda A27 Wi-Fi Extender setup is successfully done. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.